Hello friends, welcome to my channel and please subscribe it. In this video, I will show you how to decor your outdoor patio in a very friendly budget. It look like that the design I am presenting you right now is expensive, but in reality it's not so much expensive. You just need to be very creative and a little bit have a technical mind, and you can decor your outdoor deck, your outdoor garden, your outdoor patio very beautifully. Okay, so let's start. If you want to decor your outdoor space with a beautiful sitting area along with the kitchen and along with other things, then definitely you have to pay a lot of money and put a lot of effort, because that thing you cannot do alone. You have to hire proper team and proper technical persons so that they can build a beautiful system for you. But in order to just build a sitting area for you, you can do by yourself. Yes, you just have to buy the furniture and to buy something, and you can do it by yourself. Let's look at this picture. In this, it's just a sitting area with a beautiful rug below the sofas and a beautiful roof with a ceiling and a chandelier. You can use hanging egg chairs and a beautiful lamps and a decoration vases to look your area more beautiful. You can also use different kinds of carpets, different kinds of floor walls that comes with the beautiful designs and a lighting system that will increase the visibility of that area. But remember, you first need to say that what you want to do in your patio space. Are you gonna build only a sitting area, or you want to build a kitchen stuff too? Because sometimes people just sit and hang around in that patio areas, but sometimes they need to do a barbecue and they need to do cooking in their patio areas. So for that, you need a proper system. So look at this picture. This is the balcony. This is just the balcony, and people has decorated their patio. Yes, this is a very long space. This is a large space. This is not a large space. This is a very limited space and decorated beautifully. This is another balcony and decorated very beautifully. Please subscribe my channel, and I hope you like the video. We'll see you in the next video.